Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, and from here you should find the Do Not Disturb toggle somewhere. So for me it's right here. For you the position might vary a bit, so if you don't see it anywhere here, check the other page as well. And before you tap on it, you want to actually hold it, and this will take us to the settings where you can customize it further. So number one, we have turn on a schedule, which will allow you to set a schedule for it, and this will in turn allow you to not need to turn it on and off manually. So you could tap on, for instance, plus, name it whatever you want, select the days of the week that you want it to work in. So I'm gonna create a work one from Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. So 9 to 5. There we go. And once it's all set, tap on the save, and here it will be automatically enabled, and you can also see that it turned on in here because it's right now the time that it should be enabled in. And from there we can go back. Then we have another option right here, allow exceptions, and this will allow us to customize how it exactly works. So allow calls from, and here you have a couple options. So you have all, which defeats the purpose of this, contacts only, favorites, and none. So choose whichever one you want. At the moment it's set to none by default. Then below you have repeat callers, and this is also a good option. So even though, for instance, we have none set here, in theory it should not allow anybody to call, but if you check this on, if someone calls you twice within a 15-minute period, for instance, in terms of like emergency, this is a really good option. They usually call more often. They will be able to reach you the second time around. So the first time around you will not see anything, like it will look like no one is calling you, but then they will call you again within that 15-minute, and the call will go through as it would normally do without the Do Not Disturb mode. Then you have messages, which has also the same options as calls, apart from the 15-minute toggle. And then you have additional options for reminders, sounds, just any kind of notification options right here. So you can choose which ones you want and don't want, and from there just go back and everything will be set. And from there it will be all set up and enabled itself on and off automatically when it needs to. And you also can toggle it on and off manually the moments, for instance, you want it to be toggle on and it's outside of the schedule, for instance, that we have set. So you still have that option if you need it. But that is how you would set it up. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.